Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 3. In Act 1, Scene 1, Bassanio wants to fare Portia. So, as a will of asking money, Antonio have no ready cash. So, he was advised to borrow money by taking Antonio's credit in Venice. And this is its continuation. Let's see what happens. So Bassanio went to meet Shylock and asking for money. So this scene takes place at a public place, and we have Bassanio and Shylock in Venice. Okay, public place in Venice. So let's start. Enter Bassanio and Shylock. Shylock, 3,000 ducats. Well, Bassanio, sir, for 3 months. Shylock, for 3 months. Well, Bassanio, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. Shylock, Antonio shall be bound. Well, so what we see here? Shylock is giving 3,000 ducats. What do you mean by ducats? It is Venetian gold coins. Venetian gold coin is referred as ducats. So 3,000 ducats is the money, and for 3 months it is borrowing for 3 months. And who is bounding? What do you mean by bound? Antonio shall be bound. It means Antonio will act as a surety or guarantor. Okay, so in guarantee of Antonio they are borrowing money. So Bassanio, may you state me? Will you pleasure me? Shall I know your answer? Will you help me? Will you oblige me? Can I know your answer? Shylock, 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. Bassanio, your answer to this. He's asking the answer to that. Shylock, Antonio is a good man. What do you mean by good man? It is not saying that he is good. It means he is a wealthy man. It is referring that he is a wealthy man. Okay. Bassanio, have you heard any imputation to the contrary? Have you heard any allegation that he is not? Shylock, oh no, 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 no. My meaning is saying he's a good man, is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. So Shylock is saying what I mean to say good man is what he is sufficient or he is enough. Yet his means are in supposition, that is, yet his wealth are in a manner that he have a belief without a proof. Some things that we believe have no proof. That is what supposition means. So his wealth is like in supposition. He hath an argosy. What do you mean by argosy? Merchant ship. We discussed in Act 1, Scene 1. Argosy. He has argosy bound to Tripolis. Tripolis is a place on Mediterranean coast of Africa. Another in Indies. I understood. Moreover, upon Rialto, he had a third in Mexico, a fourth for England, and other for venture he had squandered abroad. So he's discussing about this ship that Antonio have in different places: Tripolis, Indies, third in Mexico, then England, and other venture he had squandered abroad, and he have more ventures scattered abroad. But his ship are but broad sailors but men. There be land rats and water thieves and land thieves. So he mean about the pirates. There are some land thief, water thief, and so on. I mean pirates. And then there is the peril of water, winds and rocks. There is danger on water. As you know, dangers on water, wind or tornado and rocks. Okay, the man is now withstanding sufficient. Okay, so according to me he is sufficient itself. I think I may take this bond. So he says he thinks that he might take this bond. Okay. Bassanio, be assured you may. Shylock, I will be assured I may, and I think I may be assured I will be think me. May I speak with Antonio? So Bassanio is saying whether you are assured or not. Okay, so he's asking whether Antonio is Shylock is assured or not. Bassanio is saying. So Shylock say I will be assured I may. So he'll say he will be assured or he may, that I have may be assured. I will be think me. May I speak with Antonio? Now he want to speak with Antonio. Bassanio, if it please you to dine with us. So he's asking whether he can. What do you mean by I will bethink me? I shall think over. Okay, so he's saying, if it please you to dine with us. So Shylock, yes, to smell pork. What do you mean by pork? It is a meat forbidden for Jews. So as a reply to dine with us, he is saying yes to smell pork. It's a habitation, that is lifestyle of the Jews. Okay, to eat of habitation which you are proper, the Nazarite conjure the devil into. It is referring to Jesus Christ. Okay, I will buy with you, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, and so following and so forth. I will do all this. That is what he's saying. I am ready to do any business with you. Okay, so that is what Shylock is saying. But I will not eat with you, drink with you, not pray with you. Okay, so he will not do these things, but he can do other business, but he cannot eat or drink or pray with you. What news on the Rialto? Who is he come here? So when he say who, what news on Rialto, then somebody came here. Who is that? Antonio. But Shylock don't know. He see who is that coming over here. So enter Antonio. Bassanio, this is Signor Antonio. So Bassanio is saying, this is our Mr. Antonio. Signor Antonio means Mr. Antonio. Shylock aside, how like a frowning publican he looks. What do you mean by frowning? It means servile. Okay, it means servile publican, like a slave. He's looking like a slave. Okay, then what do you mean by publican? Tax collector, who is like a servile tax collector. Okay, like a slave. I hate him for he is a Christian. So because Antonio is a Christian, Shylock hate him. Okay, but more for that in low simplicity, because of his base foolishness. Okay, because of his base foolishness, one of the reason he is hating him. He is Christian and he is in base foolishness. Okay, he lends out money gratis and brings out down. So next thing that Shylock hit Antonio is that he lends out money without interest, because Shylock want interest. So while Antonio do not bring interest down, so that is why the rate of usance here with us in Venice. So the rate it holds out him as a disadvantage, because he's not giving interest or money lending with us in Venice. If I can catch him upon the hip, meaning it can get hold him off at a disadvantage, referring to wrestling. Okay, I will feed fat the ancient grudge I bear him. He hates our sacred nation. What do you mean? What is the reason? Nextly, he's saying he hates the Jewish race. Okay, and he rails ever there where merchants most do congregate on me, my bargains, and my well-worn thrift. So he also don't like the way of business deals and success or profit. Okay, which he calls interest, cursed by my tribe by if I forgive him. So instead of this, he is saying that instead of this, he is saying cursed by the race I will forgive him. Okay, but he is not accepting the Jewish race. That is the next reason he is saying. Bassanio, Shylock, do you hear? Bassanio is asking Shylock, do you hear? Shylock, I am deeping of my presence too, and by the near guess of my memory, I cannot instantly raise up the gross of full 3,000 ducats. So Shylock is saying that, in my memory, I am calculating how much money presently I have, and he is also saying that I cannot instantly raise up the full money. I cannot raise up the full 3,000 ducat, and it does not matter according to you. Okay, anyway, I cannot raise the full money. What of that? Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of my tribe, will furnish me, but so how many months do you desire? So he is also saying that Tubal, he is of his same race, Jews, and according to his supply, We will be calculating, and he's also asking how many months do you desire. To Antonio, a good senior, a good senior. So it is a greeting. Okay, greeting Antonio, the last man in our mouths. So we were just talking about you, and it was you which we were being presently speaking on. That is, we are talking about you. That we are talking about. Then Antonio says, Shylock albeit I neither lent nor borrow by taking nor by giving excess, yet to supply the right wants of my friend, I will break a custom to Bassanio. Is he yet possess? How much he would? Antonio is telling to Shylock, although I neither lend nor borrow money without taking, in case of interest, Antonio do not take interest. That is his specialty, and to supply the immediate want of Bassanio. So I will break the custom. I am ready for the interest. And he is asking to Bassanio, is he yet possessed? Is he yet informed about this? How much you would? How much you want? Shylock, hey, 3,000 ducats. Yes, 3,000 ducats. Antonio, and for 3 months. So he's reminding of 3 months. Shylock, I had forgot 3 months. You told me so. So as referring to Bassanio, he's saying, yes, he told me earlier that it is for 3 months. Well, then you're bond, and let me see. But hear you, me thought you said you neither had nor borrow upon advantage. I know that you have not borrow with interest, but let me look forward about this bond with interest. Okay, with interest. Shylock want this bond with interest. That is why. So let me check whether if I can or not. Okay, Antonio, I do never use it. He's saying I have never done that. That is, I don't have used any type of interest. Shylock, when Jacob grazed his uncle Laban's sheep, this Jacob from a holy Abraham was, as his wise mother wrought in his behalf, the third possessor, he was third. So it is about a story in Bible. Jacob was the third in line of heirs. First one Abraham, second was Isaac, the elder one, third one was Jacob. Okay, so when Jacob grazed Uncle Lamb's sheep, he was the founder of Jewish Abraham. Okay, and the Isaac was his son, and Jacob was the grandson of Abraham. Okay, so when he grazed his uncle Laban's sheep, this holy man Jacob from the holy Abraham, and his wise mother were schemed in this behalf, and that was the third possessor, that is this Jacob. So Antonio is asking, and what of him? Did he take interest? So he's asking, did he take any interest in form of teasing him? Sure, no, take interest, not as you would say directly interest. Mark what Jacob did. So he's saying not directly the interest that he had taken. Mark what Jacob did. Okay, what is he? When Laban and himself were compromised, that all earnings which were streaked and pied should fall as Jacob's hire. This was a way to thrive, and he was blessed. And thrift is blessing if men steal it not. So it's a story in the Bible. It refers to story in Bible. Jacob, son of Isaac, went to serve under his to serve Laban. Agreement was between Jacob and Laban that the Jacob should receive for his services the lamb which are born with spot strips. During the breeding, Jacob placed wooden rods on the ground so that the shadows of the road should fall on the sheep. By this means, Jacob said to have influenced the sheep so much that almost all the lambs were born spotted or stripped, and thus became the property of Jacob. So that is what he said to market. So by placing the wooden rod by reflection of sunlight, he used to make these spots on sheep, hence it became his property. So it is his advantage. Okay, Antonio, this was a venture, sir, that Jacob served for, a thing not in his power to bring to pass, but sweet and fashioned by the hand of heaven. Was this inserted to make interest good, or is your gold and silver heirs and drums? So he is saying it is a venture, sir, that Jacob had did for. So he had tried to make himself as a profitable, okay, make him profit. And what he is saying, this was an enterprise for which Jacob worked as a thing which his power could not be caused to happen, okay, but swayed and fashioned by a hand of heaven was this insert to make the interest good. It was controlled and created by the hand of the God. Why are you telling all these? It is to make the interest, to justify the charging of more interest or not. Or do you have gold and silver is and done, or do you want to multiply that? Okay, about the money interest. Okay, Shylock, I cannot tell. I make it breed as fast, but not me senior. So Shylock is saying I cannot tell. Maybe I am doing to multiply money as often, but not that, Mr. Antonio is saying. Mark you this, Bassanio. The devil can cite scripture for his purpose. An evil soul producing holy witness is like a villain with a smiling cheek. A goodly apple rotten at the heart. Oh, what a goodly outside falsehood hath. So, Antonio is saying, Mark Bassanio, that the devil can quote the scripture to justify this purpose. Yes, an evil soul, any soul which is producing the witness, is like villain having a smiling cheek in the face. Okay, he also mentioned that it is a form of scripture. Okay, he also mentioned that a goodly apple rotten at the heart. That is a goodly apple rotten inside. Heart is referring to inside. Oh, what a goodly outside falsehood had. Outside this, what a goodly appearance falsehood he had. Okay, Shylock, 3,000 ducat. It is a good round sum. 3 months from 12. Then let me see the rate. So Shylock is saying 3,000 ducats. It is a good sum, and 3 months. So out of 12 months, that is out of 1 year, 3 months. So he's making calculation for taking the interest. Okay, from 12 months, that is from a year, 3 months. So it is the 1/4 of a year. Okay, not that. And probably Shylock, shall we be beholding to you? Shall you remain indebted? That is, are you going to lend the amount right now or not? Shylock, Signor Antonio, many a time and often the real too. You have rated me about my money and my usances. Still have I borne it with the patience, for sufferance is the badge of our tribe. So here Shylock is reminding Antonio of previous insult that Antonio made for Shylock. What was that? In Rialto, what is a Rialto? It is a stock exchange business deal in Venice. In Rialto, he had abused or scolded Shylock about his money and his money lending system, and he have still have the dealings, and he shrugged a lot. It made me him like a shrug. And he's also saying that according to Jewish race, long suffering is the characteristics for them. Okay, according to Jewish race. Okay, you call me a misbeliever, cutthroat dog, and spat upon the Jewish Gabbardine. That means Shylock. Suppose Antonio tell that Shylock is a misbeliever, that is non-believer, and he call him as a cutthroat dog, that is merciless dog, and he speaks like he spit upon the Jewish Gabbardine. What is Gabbardine? A long loose clock worn traditionally by Jews. Okay, and for all use of that which is mine also, what he spit upon the Jewish race and Jabberjine. Well done, it now appear you need my help, go to them. Now Antonio needs Shylock help and he come now. You come to me and you say, Shylock, we would have money, you say so, you that did your rim upon my beard. So when Antonio want a need, he come directly in front of Shylock. It is for Bassanio's need, that is why. And you come and say, Shylock, do you have money now? Like that he said. And he spit, and you that did voidurum. What do you mean by voidurum? Spit. And he spit upon his beard. His spitting is like he spit upon the Shylock's beard and fooled me as he spurned a strange cur. And kicked like a stray dog. What do you mean by cur? C-U-R. C-U-R cur means a dog, okay? Stranger cur, that is stray dog. Over your threshold, that means and out of your horse. Money is your suit. What should I say to you? Should I not say hath the dog money? So Shylock is saying that if I am a dog, that is, if Shylock is a dog, now Antonio came and for a request whether a dog have money or not. He's asking, can a dog have money? Is it possible a cur can lend 3000 ducats? Is it possible that a dog can lend 3000 ducats? Shall I bend low and in bondman's key with the bated breath and whispering humbless? Now she want to lend money and in bondman's key, that is in slave's tone, with bated breath, that is with anxiously, and whispering humbless, that is humble whisper. Say this, fair sir, you spat me on Wednesday last. You spurned me such a day, and that time you called me a dog. And for these courtesies I lend you thus and much monies. He's a noble sir. You spat on me on Wednesday last Wednesday. And you pushed me out such a day, and another time you call me a dog. There is a time that you call me a dog. And for this polite action, shall I lend you such money? Okay, Shylock. The Shylock said, yeah, Shylock reminded Antonio about previous cases. What did Antonio reply? Antonio, I am as like to call thee so again to spit on thee again. So he's saying, I will call you again a dog and I will again spit on you. Okay? He said, I will do it again to spurn thee too. If thou wilt lend his money, lend it not, as to thy friend for when did friendship take. So a breed for barren metal of his friend. What do you mean by a breed for barren metal of his friend? It means interest on lifeless metal. Should I take interest on this lifeless metal, referring to Shylock? But lend it rather to thine enemy, who, if he break thou mayst with better face exactly penalty. Is asking, when did one friend lend money to another in order to make profit? For whom, if he defaults, you can take your penalty without any guilt. Shylock, why look you how you storm? So you say, why are you again angry? Look the angry face of Antonio. Shylock is saying, I would be friend with you and have you now forget the shame that you have stained me with. Okay, now I want to be your friend. Forget about the insult that you have disgraced me with during earlier time. Supply your present one, that is supply what you presently need. So have your money and take not doit and don't take any and not take any interest. Doit can be also referred as a small Dutch coin of usance for my money, and you will not hear me. This is kind I offer of the interest, that there will be no interest. He's speaking like there will be no interest, and it is a kind I offer. The phrase have three meaning. First meaning is it is the kindness that I offer. Second meaning is it is like a man like company of his own kind. Thus, Shylock means it is a system of loan I offer, and there will be no interest on them. Third meaning it has also the usage to pay a man in kind, which mean to return similar treatment. Hence, Shylock may have thought here that he intended to repay Antonio with insult. Okay. Bassanio, this were kindness. So he's saying, okay, since you are giving without any interest, it is a kind of kindness. Okay. Shylock, this kindness will I shall go with me to an odd tree. Seal me there your single bond and in a merry spot, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums are as are expressed in the condition. Let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. So here we have Shylock is saying, I shall return similar treatment, that is similar kindness, and come to the notary. What is a notary? Notary is a special lawyer for drawing up contracts, okay, and sign under this single bond. And in this contract, if you do not repay in time, that is if he didn't repay, if Antonio didn't repay this sum, that is 3000 ducats in time at same time or day, an equal 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's body has to be removed off. Okay, equal pound of his fair flesh has to be cut off in his a part of the body. Antonio, content I in faith I will seal to such a bond and say there is much kindness in the Jew. So he Antonio is saying, I am indeed to sign this contract in such a bond, and it is a type of kindness in this Jewish race. Bassanio, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. I will rather dwell in my necessity. So, you don't sign this bond for me because you have to remove an equal pound of flesh from Antonio's body. I will do with my what money I have presently. I will work towards it. So Bassanio is showing a friendship, that how much friendship Antonio has. Yes, how much bond of friendship Bassanio and Antonio have. By this line we can understand it. Antonio, why fear not, man? I will not forfeit it within these 2 months. That's a month before uh, this bond expires. I do expect accept return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. So why are you in fear, Bassanio? Don't worry about that. Within these 2 months, that is a month before, I will return the exact money before this bond expire of 9 times. What is thrice 3 times means 9 times the value of the bond. Shylock, O Father Abraham, what these prisons are, whose on hard dealings teaches them suspect the thought of others. Shylock is praying to his father Abraham that what type of Christians these are who have tough dealings, be suspicious of and about the thought of others. Pray you tell me this, if he should break his day, what should I gain by the exaction of the forfeiture? So he's saying, what what will he do if he fail to pay on date? What should I gain by taking off this? A pound of man's flesh taken from a man is not estimable profitable neither as flesh of melons be for gods. So Shylock is saying that taking off Antonio's a pound of flesh is not as valuable or profitable success than mutton's gods. Okay, did you get the point? So Shylock is saying that Antonio's flesh is that not so valuable or profitable than of the flesh of muttons, beeves, or goats. Okay, I say to buy his favor, I extend his friendship if he will take it. So if not, I do. And for my love, I pray you wrong me not. So he is saying to gain his favor, he would extend his friendship Shylock, and if Antonio will accept it, so if all right, but if he doesn't, adieu, that is goodbye. And for my love, I pray you wrong me not, don't. I request you to be not so unjust to me for such an offering of love. Antonio, yes, Shylock, I will seal into this bond. Still, he is saying, I will seal into this bond, Shylock. Shylock then meet me forthwith at the notary, give him direction for his merry bond, and I will go and purse the ducate's straight, see to my house left in fearful guard of an unthrifty knave, and presently I will be with you. Shylock was saying that then we will meet directly in the notary's office. Okay, notary's office. Who is a notary? It is a special lawyer for signing those contracts. For dealing these contracts, notaries are there, and he will give him the instruction for this merry bond, and I will go and purse the ducate's straight see to my house left in fearful guard of unthrifty neighbor person. Okay, so Shylock is saying, okay, I have let me put 3,000 ducats in the purse. First of all, I have to go to my home, and there is a careless and irresponsible servant in my house, so I have to see the situation of the house. Then I will put 3,000 ducats in the purse. We will meet directly in notary's office, so I will be with you. Then Shylock exit. Okay, exit Shylock. Antonio, hi thee, gentle Jew, the Hebrew will turn Christian, he grows kind. So he's saying to hi thee means to make haste. Okay, the Hebrew, what do you mean by Hebrew? It is referring to Jew. Shylock, the Jew, he will turn into Christian by his behavior and actions. He grows kind, Bassanio. I like not fair turns and a villain's mind. He's saying he apparently his sweet words from villain's mind. Sorry, mind. So he's saying he heard some sweet words from Shylock's mind. That is the villain's mind. Because he is the villain of this drama. According to them also, it is a villain. Antonio, come on, it is there. Can be no dismay. My ship come home a month before the day. So he's saying that don't fear, there is no reason to fear, because my ship will come before the day of this bond expires, and before a month. Wait for a month, and before this bond expire, my ship will return, and this scene expense. That's all for today, guys, and if you like the video, please hit a like and share with your friends and subscribe the channel, so that when I post next video you will get the notification on notification bar. So meet for next video. We will start act 2 scene 1, and this was act 1 scene 3, Merchant of Venice. Thank you and bye bye.